Here then, baby.
Baby. Baby. Obi a me no din kuma yen no abegina.
Berry.
And your friend Berry.
And I'll call you Berry again. Is Berry not your name?
When was the last time I friend Berry?
Any brother. I'm so sick and tired of this whole give me money, give me money, give me money. Hey! I don't see me quiet, Mama.
No, baby, na say me no next na say niam aba form na me request this flow I know air bonnet.
All the time. I'm the one supporting the house.
Oh, come on.
I'm not a man, I'm a woman, and you are ungrateful.
Me ungrateful?
Oh yes, you're very much ungrateful.
Tilly.
You ask me money, and I don't have it. Look at the way you are behaving. But I'm the one who always give you money. It's enough.
Tilly, uti, me ya da what I say. Me ya da one can you wanna me no best movement for you. Baby. When say me do, and you want say one in the say you can kwa worry man. You say me want him now, boy me away no from so many.
It's love money. Or don't you be the other?
It would ya one can you? Can we did dinner, baby, Namhan or come off? Now I am junior. Jan one black. Jamaica, a dear, a tick out none of my can offer. You tip every. You tip every, the count none of her, and I junior and our fanat now was special credit. Me Baba, my lady gets a very namnesa. The very nam and his segment, me bath, I beg him banana, beg him banana to the soul. Cabaco class out was Megano. Ade, what I hear the dear, what I hear the dear, what I hear the dear. I wonder your family, the woman home. Hey, how are you, Junior? Oh, Papa, you Junior, can offer. I would dare now. Fire, Mamma, yet. Wouldn't say me yours before ye. Are they?
I'm coming.
The Biani at Nas near the Biani at Nas near the and the right to walk at the way the Kenyafe. Hey, why, Junior? Junior was what it's not say. Let her play, Papa. Na fair club by us.
I saw you.
And come us a one show. And come us a one.
Praise. Fifi. Praise. Wow. Never gonna die. Someone cry. What is chef called from Tunisia to the airport? For not of that sort. You're looking nice. Good, bro. Good. Look at you.
Look at you as well. Good, bro.
Ella.
My prince.
How you doing here?
What, do you know her?
Of course.
She's my wife. Yes.
Dad. Man.
Yes.
I bet one year penny send color.
What is happening? What the hell is happening?
Berry, you asked me for 2,000 CDs. But I gave you 3,000 CDs. I added 1,000 CDs to it.
You know that I'm a hardworking guy. Scan out the mom, yes, be a media and I say you. Tilly, when you made your mom, yes, and the boys now, boy. What I say, and a man be doing duty name near my dad's no. A switching scanner say the funny man. And it's a man I cover now, climb planning baby, I mean, yes, Kadako funny man. Do you person what I'm saying?
To hell with that.
What?
To hell with that. I'm so sick and tired of this your attitude. Even a poor person will see that you are poor. Broke ass nigger.
Tilly.
Nya. I'm just so sick and tired of this thing.
What?
This your money collecting stuff. I need money. I need. Yeah.
Ah, Tilly, into when you score me order.
You are so broke ass nigger.
Tilly, my biama order, my bio, Kai, my biama o. We are sankasa nipa na ninkai. Nipa na ninkai na we are sitting ka de be hwe nipa pa de 7 ka fato abwana yen no. Ade kra so onfa so. Oh.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take
This is a major because I'm not. You see,
Assemble ni see yala.
Say you are catching me.
Dia na.
Dina, say you see kasa na mentiasi.
Say madam for ne fee. Na mabeto say we ukunu no ene na wonti ase anase say.
Prince, there is more to it. Bibi wo why say o catching me.
But
why you say on person be me hu?
No. Dia pa na wo why la men kan kire. Me kra manage say madam for. Asa worry madam for say me nuaba. Difference be the woman. Huh?
This is not right. This is not right. Besides, you say me meaning papa nim say me no be bibi.
Me, Prince me no be bibi.
Yes.
Na dey free mo frase no wo mu hu ye kwambone so bibi so ana. Obi a hu ye kwambone bi aso.
Prince.
Na no. Ti ho. Wo akasa obi bi na me.
No.
Na fiade.
No.
I know sir. Dey mpese ohun ni se boni bi anim. Meet me for bibi aso nsi o.
Efa bibi ansi me se bibi wo ha ka kire me. Metimi amen, metimi. Ka bibi kire me Prince.
Ela. Wonyimi ni. It's when na me ya de wa frame me Prince. Membra me ehia ne ni nkomo. Na say ni say eti obusuafo no mo dwene say asem bi wo ho anase me no na twempra anase say
Prince mentimi me da mentimi.
Asem bia ni wo ela ma wa dwenye free. Ma yenko free. Ma yenko why?
Please.
Me pacho bia no traka ni yenko. Right.
Mariam, we already in Baha, in Penifossi Bocobet, and Yabocosa. Ninani Tilly, a friend Tilly assistant. And India first naturally the mammy as the guy, Sisi Tilly Jai. Tilly treat me anyhow. Masako Cano, no name in Toka. And I do the summa minutely at the bed so and can fire wondering how improvement be bamming in life mono. No on the Bema Casa. Yeah, and lady no so my imagine say on one am yede me peno. Mendo bi fufro kano. What I say? Eduane nka oba de me hu nka na oba no aduane oba feed me. Ni nyina kane no ye bet ene no wasesa wagyae ono aduane ma me nya bindi. Tili betima kwa adwuma kwa kohyema anajo no aba. Oba onwene se medidi ana me nidi. No no mo de ni aduane firi kroma ba ha bedi. Eya, what I say? Eya. It me show. Me baha any deal. Nkotudwe gu from the Yakopon deep out. Say Tilly the Nadam for no. And at least I remember Kakrano and Tiamin himself the Oka Obeti. It me show me the betu and him so and Casamame. You see, I'm a damn and damn on Tommy, me feel okay.
Oh, that's Tilly. I don't know what's a sasa. All of a sudden, what's a son? I don't. Tilly so the. What is wrong with the other? Then I have no.
You might cry heartily.
Oh,
Me nim at the cry then, heartily. And me cry the Adrian, some put in come okay. And come any problem because first no ye, and now most say I say, you must send the crown, won't me my Adrian and Mamma. And she don't have about course no. Course na me manim nyina na oye course ehun hia ebe o timi frɛ na o de kɔ na kwa hye baby kasa nketenketen masa ko bisa no raising voice atem de die ne nneoma bi ehun hia eya sa wo no girl ati wo na be ma pa wo yonko be ma frɛ ne ndi do wanim na o sa ko ka o di watem
we di on etore bi o sa wo tina se kakra on se adwuma no edi on se adwuma na o ye no on se obegina ne nan so saa nti tam obebe fie no na wabre on timi nsan fa saa bre ne mafi nsan ba ye aduane ma wundi nti me de ka me nko anka wo de wo fie na o ye adwuma no na nka wo de se aduane no obi kura na wanoa odo asem de wo se nsa kɔ na nso ba na se ka ne sen se wo hu nti wo ye kura na de si wo na oba na munyina modi se wo hu nti no
ana mempo make say aduane sem ne de enka me ni problem me she da ni problem sir I know send ya wo kan say oba no ebe be ma no ebe yeah but phone calls no I don't know one jai and won't hear say, Satam now, me no me no never sink a different one you. Now, all side is Satam in my oak share you would the day singing a quay, you man and your men are me no me so the fair one you the mabem of fra. What do you mean by that?
Course now, all you know. And yes, or the mabem for flu. And yes, a bear man a friend. What you may say, only home round. What's me that one not to pay your 1, 2. No be a frosted brand, a makeup man. And you know, what pa, and you bear may be on any casa. Not tell me a call winning.
Maria, Miss
Bema,
why? And I do 12 hours to be see makeups no make an adu 12 oh sorry if you fear na do 12 could you be na do coin.
Oh coin say oh piano or quay adi chair or co wedding and answer or co engagement to be so nkola no jania mane mo oh almost say near mano. Enti no otimi fridge won say like me just me who
first no bantam otimi twaso e just on man kwala na 5 any 6 na kwala na e de omba e de kina ba now we see abi asesa me ndi nachi me na me ne ti minim how
nti a omba biom no nu nti a omba biom oba wo jane mane man kwala na omo say no makeups no obepa na omo de abofom na ni nyina papai ne bo so odin
ba wontumi fa wa resem ento ene adwuma no wontumi nja time ni nyina ma adwuma na unja ware no ento baby o
very say adwuma ya na modidi wo mu adwuma wo ya na wo ye na ode aba na modidi enti se wanyi say adwuma na mo be ye didi enti ya no aboa ne kakra oh jealousy some no na ja was so supporting in some way now ontimi mwa so course na wo ye ne de makeup oh obitimi ye makeup be 2 1 no offer oh I was so tenase
support no me de man ba course juma course ahoma chi ne juma course there what be that
course ne de juma no wo de they say no ye nkasa tenten bia wo de mesrew ne aye no me ne be kasa me ba fie ho na me ne tilia wa be kasa why
mate wo de waka mate
ya ndwen ho bebre
ndwen de me dwenu ho fi se me do no me do tili me kasa me petili a na me dada wo ti mesrew wo ne nkasa mame why so
me ne be kasa
on kavidia nyo
avante 20 gram say osono
si akwa ma me form no kra so ate na me switch say first na me weigh 80 si am kojina so 45
te kama say
yawo
fe it's boy so abijina ona si chali me nka bi mo around to yale ana pebra papa bi mo wote ana menko ti atili no do ye den abodam papa it's
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Na mo ti say. Madam we.
Madam Coffee. My phone is here. Is she open or call?
Madam Coffee. Be 4 days na oba adwuma.
Oba de bia.
Tili be adwuma de bia.
Ah, ya ba de.
Ana enfa na ya okoda.
Ene pa so ene ye ni. Eh, ya Francis is here.
Okay, Martin, I'll try.
Ene pa so ye ko.
Tili be adwuma 4 days ni nyina na tili amba fie. Okay.
Fee. Uncle. Fee, if you mean him.
Uncle, I'm listening to you.
But I'm the one talking to you.
Uncle, please, I'm listening to you.
If I don't recall if you have.
Uncle, like I said, nothing much. Nothing much.
But then, Erica, nothing much. You should be able to catch him.
Uncle, you are right. My mom is giving us so much pressure which is unbearable.
Your mom?
Yes, we are living our own humble abode. But we can't find peace just because my mom is giving us so much pressure that she wants her grandson or granddaughter. So based on that, as soon as we set our eyes on our mom or my mom, it's like we are renting an apartment just because we want to run from wherever she is coming from or wherever she is. That is costing us so much. That's why I said not too much, but it's something very huge.
This is serious. Just as you know, I wasn't around when you came visiting. So upon coming back, my wife told me everything. But listen, you have to do something about it. You really have to do something about this. It is really an ugly situation.
I don't know what to do. For me to convince my mom has been a headache and a help to me. She's not the type of person that she can easily convince. Whenever you are talking, then she'll be talking on top of her voice. I don't know. And all that I'm doing, all that she needs, I provide it. So I don't know where lies this precious. Dying need of a grandson or granddaughter is what she's always giving me pressure over.
Fifi. Sisi Amampere Tasanide. This thing has never happened in our family before. Never. And you must not be the first. You must not be the first. So as the man, do something about it.
Uncle, you know it yourself that when we talk of being strong, Uncle, I'm strong enough like my arm to push whatever is in there to make a baby. But when the time is not due, you can't force there to be there. Whilst there's there, it's not there. That is the whole thing, Uncle.
That is the whole thing. Fifi, I am not talking about childbearing. I'm talking about the chaos in the house. The treatment they are giving to your wife. I know just definitely that children are from the Lord. But my issue is about the chaos in the house. The peace in the house is gone.
Of course, yes.
Can I ask you a question?
You can, Uncle.
Who buys the food in the house?
Oh, Uncle. What kind of strange question?
Who pays the bills?
Uncle, of course, I go out to buy groceries and I have to break them into 3 pieces. I need to serve my mom, serve my in-laws, then the rest comes to my side.
And that is what I'm talking about. So it means that you are the man of the house.
I pay electricity to be pure water bill narration. To the extent of if somebody wants a credit, I'm supposed to buy credit for the fellow.
Look at this.
And give some pocket money to all of them, including my in-law.
Look at this.
Not forgetting Chichiku, my junior brother. You can observe it yourself. So it means every blessed day, if I stand to correct it, the money I spent in the house is like somebody's salary a day. And still we can find peace in our humble home. Uncle.
Fifi. So I'm right. You must do something about it. You are the man of the house. Bring peace. Stand behind your wife and bring peace, sanity in this home.
I hear you, Uncle. I hear you, Uncle.
Okay. You don't worry. I will let you.
Serious at all. Get this girl.
Huh? Hey.
Please. Oh, what's wrong with you?
Okay.
Hey.
Tilly. Hey.
What's wrong with you?
Where do you think you are going at this time? Huh?
Do I need permission from you before I go out? Do you have to give me receipt before I go out?
But you know what time is. You know what you're supposed to do.
Do I have to carry you on my back? Are you a baby?
Come on, I'm not talking about you carrying me.
Listen, she's going to escort me to buy something. I'll bring her back, okay?
Come on, Sandra. At least you should know so on bear man. You should know when to visit her.
I know, I'll bring her back.
Oh,
okay.
come on.
I have reasons for everything I do, okay?
You have a reason.
Let's go, I'll brief you.
I'll bring her back, okay?
Make sure you come and cook for me. Right now, right here. I'm waiting for you there.
Sooner was no any abrehwa wodi no entime solve problem no sooner was no ntime mfa akora mambe so yam sister nyame mre ne mre pa nyame ni nim dia wo yo no yo mane ma bra ne so a wo de abofra ne beba sister sooner was no yade no wo pa ma ho
ni nyame ni baba shemi dia kwan dia nyame boni beni ma ye I don't think story na say e mo bibia bi so die nipa ni baby boy ni obi hanse
sister sooner was no de yade no wo pa ma ho yade no wo pa ma ho e so jai sunu ye nyina ye de ye kayeti bom ni ye de mpa bo so fra urade se wo hu bra wo se no de ba he be ma wo sister sooner was no de ntimi solve problem no sister. Sister, need to make better. Me
so good so better me. Me tell me good so better me. Come on, me kai me. O me kai me say do me so me so shine when ni manya o ma bra bom. Randy do ni me na me di ayo. Oni ni ma.
Sister. Sister Jason, who dey Jason? Because soon ya wo soon say yade no wo pa ma ho yade no wo pa ma ho se wo hu ti ye nyina ye kan yeti boni ye ya kwanchini su fra urade a obedun wo ba ni bi soon na wo soon ntimi ma ne mfa ba mba mbe so yem sister
dabai mama me so me ba ni
sister bibia ni wo soon urade ye bibia nso urade ye ofa ne bo ano nto ne ntem a ne bo he so obeto a oto ne time by time bi amere no de nso ye amere so a ode ba he be ma sister sister Sarah onya mfie do sen Sarah nya 90 years and Sarah nyankopon odon ne ba sister Jaisun sister Jaisun yade no wo pa ma ho Jaisun
e dey do me so kai me was e dey ma me bayi me was
Awurade be ma won kwa no wa ba wi ase anti wunya ho ye Sala onya mfie do sen ansa na wonya 90 years now what how many years no sister nyesa me ne me kase nyankopon wo kwa na wo fa so hye ne ho animonyam o peso ya dansidie ma wi ase nyina wo hu today nya abotre wale sister
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be.